welcome to this Kubernetes course. I am Vipin Gupta, the instructor for this course. Your journey from zero to Kubernetes expert starts here. We are going to learn, practice, deploy and succeed. Now why we need Kubernetes? It is used for automatic deployment, scaling, it for high availability, efficient resource utilization, and it is the industry standard for cloud native application, and it is the must have skill in these days in DevOps. Now what we will be learning core concepts like port deployments, ReplicaSets services, then we will be dealing with the networking, config maps, secrets, various type of storage, real world applications, troubleshooting, and what are the best design practices. Now it is a hands-on learning, and we will be giving the step-by-step demos, visual explanations, real-world scenarios, and there are resources available for the download purpose also. Then we will be discussing how the components, different components of Kubernetes interacts and how the traffic flows in Kubernetes. And we will be implementing using Minikube Kubernetes cluster, and we will be using a Docker as a driver. So we will be using Kube, CTL and YAML technologies also. And by the end of the course, you can confidently deploy application on Kubernetes, understand production level architecture, and apply Kubernetes skill in real jobs and projects. Now who is this course for? Students, developers, system admins, DevOps engineers. So let us get started. Ready to dive into the world of Kubernetes and transform the way you build, deploy and manage your applications.